Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Continuing with the topic of issue of shares other than cash, I am here with the second case where the equity share capital is issued at a premium and the number of shares are not given to us. In this particular case, first of all, he says that Sirish Limited issued, what is Sirish Limited? He is the purchaser over here of what? Of machinery worth rupees 84 lakh. In the return, what he has given to them is the shares, right? So here the machinery is purchased, but the payment is not made in the cash, rather payment is made by the issue of the shares. And here shares were of rupees 100 each, which were issued at a premium of 5%, right? The shares have been issued at a premium of 5%. So let's firstly understand that how premium is to be calculated. Here rupees 100 is meant the face value, the nominal value of the share, and these shares were issued at a premium of 5%. So we will calculate the premium, that is 100 rupees, 5% is rupees 5. So what is the total value of the shares for which shares were issued? The issue price of the share was rupees 105. The shares which have the face value of rupees 100 were in the market with the premium of 5%. So the issue price of the shares was rupees 105. Now here I am given the value of the machinery purchase, but not how many number of shares were issued. To calculate the number of shares issued, I would take the total purchase consideration upon the issue price. Now the question is, what is the purchase consideration? Means what value the company have received over here. Here Sirish Limited have purchased a machinery worth rupees 84 lakh. So how much payment is due from him is 84 lakh. So the purchase consideration here is 84 lakh. The issue price was rupees 105. So when we divide 84 lakh with rupees 105, how many number of shares company issued? That is 80,000 number of shares were issued by Sirish Limited to Vikas Limited. So carry along the journal. In the books of the Sirish Limited, the journal would go debit what comes in, credit the giver, machinery account debit to Vikas Limited. That is machinery worth was of 84 lakh here, and Vikas Limited was issued equity share capital at premium. So carry along with the concept, debit the receiver, credit what goes out. Here Vikas Limited is receiving equity share capital for what value? That is for rupees 84 lakh. This 84 lakh rupees will become here same value 84 lakh Vikas Limited is payable. So debit the receiver with rupees 84 lakh to equity share capital to security premium. Now dear, over here you can assess what was the value, what was the face value of equity, that was 100, and the premium was 5% of 100, that we got is 5. So what is the value over here? 105. This 84 lakh in debit should be divided by rupees 105 over here. If you can remember this formula, well and good. If you have no time to keep this formula, you have just to go for MCQs. How you will do it? You will take the debit balance of your vendor and divide this balance by the credit per unit value. What is the credit per unit value over here is 105. So 84 lakh divided by 105, what is the number of shares issued? That is 80,000 number of shares. Now when this 80,000 is multiplied by this value over here, that is 100, how much value we got for equity share capital here? That is rupees 80 lakh. And how much value we receive for our premium? 80,000 multiplied by 5, we got a value over here, that is 4 lakh rupees. So it makes a total of 84 lakh on credit also and on debit also. As per dual concept, debit should always be equals to credit. So here our journal for the case is completed. Thank you for the day. We discussed the case of issue of shares other than cash for the shares issued at premium, right? So thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and comment. Thank you.